guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Airplane 2, and I hope you guys will enjoy this. We're gonna be doing Airplane 3 and 4 after this, so I really do hope you guys enjoy this. And my mouse is apparently not working, so this is going to be very hard. Alright, finally, there it goes. Hello everyone, welcome back. What do you mean welcome back? Okay. My name is Kelly or something. I will be your pilot in this flight. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 911 president, blah blah blah. You heard it right. The president would like to say, guys, you saved an airplane last time. We still don't understand how the captain lost control that time. Anyways, that is the reason we are here. Alright, enough chatting. Please find the seat that has a golden label with your name. About to cross an area of high turbulence. So I'm pretty sure I watched a video on this, someone playing it. I'm pretty sure later in the game. Oh no! Did we just do a barrel roll? Thank you for your cooperation. I have been informed the president is waiting for you in the next room. Please find him there. The future instructions. I have been informed the president is waiting for you. Did anyone else see that? Here. Welcome to the presidential airplane. Wow. One of them. And congratulations for what you have done. Your country is grateful. Follow me to the next room. I will give you some instructions. The president is getting ready. We will meet you in the dining room. There is something you must know before that. The president is very special. He gets mad very easily. Please do everything not cause a kind of trouble in the airplane. That's all. President should be almost ready. Why don't you guys grab a glass of water while we wait? Alright, bet. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Look at this mess. President is going to be so mad. Please find something to clean this mess. Or else we're gonna have to. Great, it's clean. Please don't let that happen again. President is ready now. Please follow me to the dining room. I would like to sit, or else we will stand on the table. Hi, President. Having a nice day? Build that brick wall? Wait, what? Build that brick wall. I'm sorry. Is the habit. It's the habit. Anyways, welcome to my airplane. Your airplane. My name is Ronald. I'm the president of Robloxia Estates. Ronald McDonald? You must know you are heroes for this nation. Well, some of it. We have a delicious meal prepared for a special moment. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. The food is not ready yet. I believe Chef messed up. What? Throw that chef off this plane. We will take care of him, Mr. President. Jupiter 22444 44499. You look like a great chef. But, Mr. President, I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn quick, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane, too. Jupiter 2244. The round begins. Are you ready? Ready? Time to cut these soup needs apples. The soup needs chicken. Next. Food is ready. Alright guys, so your food is apparently ready. Ooh, yummy. It looks delicioso. Everyone take a seat. I want to sit next to Mr. President. Because I am fancy. Because I got my golden headphones and my golden hair. And I dressed up just for that. See, fresher. Enjoy. We're apparently eating now. Alright. Seems cool. Everyone's eating. We hope you enjoyed the soup. President had to leave early. He should be meeting you against the presidential suit. Please follow me the path to the computer room. For one, you haven't even won. Welcome to the computer room. We use this room to protect any eventual attack to our system. The president is waiting for the presidential suit. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure it out the code. Good luck, hackers. Whoa, we really need to work in that code. Meet with President in the next room. Who spilt this water? Hello, President. Hello again. Sorry I had to leave early. I had to, get everything ready. Yeah. Anyways, as our very special guest, we will be sleeping in my presidential bedroom. Seems pretty sussy if you ask me. For some reason, I can't find the keys. Can you look for them? I found the key. What? How did you find those so fast? Great! Let's open the door. Only one bed. This is where you will be sleeping, spending the night. I hope there is room for everyone. Yeah, there definitely is. I'll just get under the covers when 18 other people are going to try to fit on top of me. I have twins too. Nice. But someone's in trouble. Oh no. Oh no. It's night and President is gone. I can't sleep. There is something about this flight that scares me. Guys, the curtain. Oh God. Oh no. It's the monster. Did you forget about me so early? Fire! We need to run. No chance I'm looking back again. Don't tell me the fire can get in the storage room. I mean, it probably could, except it's probably gonna stop. It probably could, but it's probably gonna stop right at the bottom. It's probably not gonna make it to the top. Can you see it? Alright, I'm not risking it because if it actually does come, ew nail. Ew nail. Goodbye. I'm just gonna. Are we gonna sit here for a minute? Is everyone here? Finally, there's me talking. Oh no. Guys, the phone is ringing. Should we pick it up? Hello? Who's there? Hey guys. I'm glad you picked it up. Something terrible is happening on this plane. You don't say? I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to unlock it. Be closer while I do that, but be careful. The monster might still be around. Don't tell me the monster is gonna be. And what we have to. You will not escape this time. Mwahaha. Oh no! Don't tell me. Don't let him catch you. Now the only problem is I need to make it to the computer room. Hurry up! The door is open! In! Get in! We gotta go! Great. Everyone is here. Phew. What is going on? We saw that monster again. Did he follow us here? It didn't follow you here. It made you come here again. I knew there was. The good news is I'm not just a pilot. I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He was so obsessed with planes.
in a scary way. He would like them to read news about plane crashes. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was. His spirit still chases you guys because he blames you for this. Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take any shape. He could be any agent or even the president. But take this gun. Take this pew pew. Give me the pew pew. I want to take the pew pew. Give me the pew pew. Give me the pew pew. I will do. I got the pew pew first. I got pew pew first, not you. I got pew pew, not you. I want to do it. I got pew pew. There you are. Been looking for you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait! Put the gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plane. We know about the plane. You is the monster. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I don't trust you. He just pew-pewed the president. Like I said, you made a huge mistake. We will die. It's funny how you keep calling me monster. But look at what you did. All of you are the real monsters. Now, I can take your souls. I can take your bodies. Just sounds as bad. I can take your souls sounds better. No! Finished airplane 2. So apparently we died? Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. And leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and put on those post notifications so you get notified whenever I post. Bye!